Well, hello there and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is fine and having a beautiful day, doing whatever makes you happy in your happy space, and hopefully that is quilting or something crafting. Well, in today's video, as promised, I am going to reveal two things today. The person who's actually won the Maltese quilt, and let me show it to you in case you've forgotten what it looked like. So this is the Maltese quilt. Make sure I have the right one, I have to check. All right, so this is it. That was the front, and this is the back. All right, so I can't remember how many people actually applied for it to enter the competition. So what I have done is to put everyone's name into a wheel. I think it's a wheel of fortune. No, it's just a wheel that spins, and when I press stop, it chooses somebody's name at random, just so that it's all fair, right? So just be reminded that whoever name is popped out, this is going to be very fair, so I'm not going to cut. I'm literally going to focus the camera on the screen so that you can see it spin. You just probably hear me talking, and when I press stop, whatever name it stops on, it will go to that person. Be reminded though that let's say after 24 hours or so, if I haven't heard from that person, I will then do it again and let the next person know that they've actually won it if I haven't heard from the first official winner. This is the same that's going to be applied for those of you who entered or just said you wanted to get the blades. So remember, these blades are from Fabric Hut. They're titanium, and I got myself 20, and I'm giving away 10. Nothing's wrong with that. It's good to share. In all honesty, I have quite a lot of blades, so giving away 10 to one of my subscribers is no big deal. All right, guys? So it's good to share, isn't it? Same way they say it's good to talk, it's good to share. And you guys have been supporting me. What I will do for this though, there wasn't quite a number of you who actually said you wanted the blades, but I will also include the names of my members, and then we will take it from there. All right, so that's it basically, but we're going to do the quilt first, and then from there it's going to go to its next home. So since it's been made, I haven't used it, to be honest. All I've done is folded it all up and put it on my shelf of quilts up here. So it's literally been in the sewing room this time. So by the time I've already closed the competition anyway, because I did say it was going to be on Wednesday the 21st, and so that's it. It's a beautiful little quilt. I can't remember the size it is, but I did say it's perfect for a lap quilt or a picnic, which is beautiful, and it's lovely and soft. I would like though, when you do receive it, just let me know that it has been received. Send me a picture, etc. It is not mandatory. It just puts my mind at rest as to whether or not it was received. That's all it is basically. All right, guys. So that's it. All right. So let's go over to the computer. I'm going to turn the camera on the screen of the laptop, and then we can see who gets it together. All right, I do hope, I didn't check, fingers crossed, that the person who wins it is an actual subscriber. I'll be very angry if you're not, so because it's for subscribers, so make sure that you are. All right, so guys, let's move on. This is really exciting. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. It's nice to win stuff, isn't it? I remember one time, short little story. I remember one time I went for some kind of training or something, and they had a competition to win a TV. This was years ago, and I just thought I'd enter it anyway. And all of a sudden, when they was doing the raffle, there was like, the winner of the TV is Karen. I was like, ah, me! First time I've actually won anything ever. I was like, I can't believe I've won the telly. So there you go. So it's really exciting to win stuff. Let's jump over to the computer. I'm an idiot, I know. All right, so here we go. All right, so that is the wheel of names. That's what it's called. That's what I couldn't remember. So all the names are in there. I'm going to call them out. So we have Kathy Boyd, Barbara Heron Monge, Kylie Spiller, Denise Stovall, Yvette Marie, Bunny Clark, Jeanette Barr, sorry, Annie Clark Kennedy, or Clerk Kennedy, SBN Designs, which is Stephanie, Beyond Awesome Designs, Jerusa Ramos, D. Lynn, Sharon Harrison, Vicky Petrie, Maureen Claire 8773, D. Lynn 762, and Cherie Hawkins Lezinia. Guys, I apologize if I'm pronouncing incorrectly. So I'm going to press the middle, I think. I haven't done it, so I don't know, but we'll see. And then we'll see where it stops. Nope, that's not where I... Let's try it again. No, oh yes it is. All right, here we go. And the winner is Vicky Petrie. Well done, Vicky. You are the winner. Excellent. That's awesome, isn't it? All right, Vicky. So please, I'm going to email you. I'm going to see if you have an email address on your channel. But if you haven't, please email me. Just go to my channel and email me as normal. All right. So congratulations, Vicky. Everybody else, please leave a comment to congratulate Vicky. Right. So the next person, the next competition now, we are going to do the blades. I'm going to get all the names together and then we'll be back for that one. All right. So let's move on to the next wheel now. So all the names are in, just moving across. And there it is. So for this particular one, as I said, I have included my members also. And for the people who actually wanted the blades, there's only 3 of them. So it's Audrey, Nana Preps, Pamela Thornton, Pearl Lucas. And the following names are the members. So Harriet Hamilton, Gillian Tagtaz. My apologies yet again if I pronounced that incorrect. Beverly Jenkins, Yvette Marie, Tony Harrison, Beverly McClendon Bailey, Judy Davis, Webb, Charlene J. Smith, and Lynn Gillum. So I'm going to press the middle yet again, the white spot in the middle, and see who actually wins this one. So let's go. Right, so there we go. And the winner is Yvette Marie. Well done. Excellent. So those will be coming out to you. So Yvette, you are a member. So please just simply holler at me on Instagram like you did the last time. And I can get your details and send it out to you. All right, guys. So that's it for today. Let me come back on camera. Why am I so greasy? Alright guys, I'm just being an idiot. Well, okay guys, so those of you who have won, yeah, I will send all the details out to you and send your quilt as well as your blades. Now don't worry, I have other stuff that I plan to give away, and I've never really done this in a very long time. So you know, it's been kind of building, so this is the season to give things away. Probably I should leave it till Christmas. Nah, let's do it now. Let's do it now. Alright guys, so lots more, so don't worry about if your name didn't come up. Definitely I have more quilts to give away, table runners, table toppers. Also I have some one of these to give. Alright, my camera just told me it was full, so I had to delete some stuff. So I have one of these to give away as well. This is a pack of a quilt ready to go. All the cuttings is there. I have a table runner already like this to give away. So there's lots more items. So don't feel like because you didn't get anything, you are not going to be fortunate. So we're going to keep it going. I'm going to give away some stuff, as I said. It's time to bless my subscribers and just say really thank you, guys. I'm still wondering, why am I looking so shiny? Don't know why. But anyway, we'll leave the makeup mess up for another time. Okay, so with that being said, guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I know it's short and sweet. And I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye for now. Happy quilting. Love you loads.
You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.